Hey guys, I was doing a inspection the other day and ran into a bunch of mold in the house. So I just wanted to show you one of the ways that I just built a new gunny sack comment. So let's unpack this, and it shows you the power of gunny sacks, which is why I wanted to make this video. So I worked pretty hard on this comment, but let's read through it here. Mold-like substances were noted on, and we've got a text replacement. So I'm going to click on this. Where were they? Well, exterior walls of closets, on the exterior walls of the building. They're on windows. They're in the basement. I didn't really see any around these last areas, so we'll just use these. So, mold-like substances were noted on the exterior walls of the closets, on exterior walls of the building, on exterior windows, and in the basement. Organic growth is likely to form on interior surfaces that are prone to ongoing condensation problems. Condensing surfaces can be tricky to control. Repair can necessitate a sequence of repairs to reduce indoor humidity and improve ventilation and space heating and clean, remove, or seal mold-like substances. During inspection, a number of different contributing factors were noted. So I'm going to kind of say, like, well, what did I note here today? So I've got a gunny sack. Efforts should be made to reduce relative humidity and condensing surfaces inside the building by using bath and kitchen fans, adding ventilation to the closet in the form of a louvered door, heating the home evenly and consistently, adding insulation to the walls, updating windows to insulated glass and frames, implementing moisture control repairs for the basement. All of these applied to this house. These last two are for crawl space. This place didn't have a crawl. So now I've got my little gunny sack bulleted list. Please note that an evaluation of molds beyond the scope of this inspection. If you're concerned about molds or indoor air quality, industrial hygienists and other specialists can be hired for further investigation. In my experience, these services are best utilized for chronic problems. Qualified contractors are often capable of handling these types of moisture control issues, especially, I need to tweak that, if they are smaller and more localized. Hire a qualified party to implement repairs as deemed necessary. So I'm going to kind of punt on the whole thing. We're going to grab these pictures. I've got it as a major concern. This one I just need to reorient. So we'll crop it. And boom, we got our comment here. So obviously if I didn't spend time reading it, this is really, really fast, but psyched about. I hope this helps with just kind of showing the language for reporting on mold problems, as well as mold is such a tricky one. It's beyond the scope, and yet I'm also trying to provide helpful clues of why it's happening and options of who you could hire to fix it. All right, thanks for watching.